Babo Kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, sa vlog na to, we are featuring for the second time. This is Jeju Island and this time, nandito tayo sa Angeles City.
Yes.
So lumapit na yung favorite Korean restaurant natin from San Fernando and this is their sister company. So guys, dito sa Samgyupsal na to, available din ang unlimited SHABU-SHABU,
Unlimited Samgyupsal.
ramen, and so much more. If you guys interested to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
How it's night after night, night after night, oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
Ma'am Steph, nano lang ang tingay ganaganang flavors tamo king Samgyupsal.
Dakal po, ito kayo pong beef plain, pork plain, chicken soy, chicken gochujang, pork steak, pork marinated, beef bulgogi, and beef gochujang.
So all in all, 8 flavors,
Yes po.
unlimited,
Yes po.
eat all you can.
Yes po. No leftover po, syempre po, sayang po kasi, di ba po?
So ito nga.
Dreaming big makes me smaller than I wanna be, but I guess I'll get used to being small in a world that's not acting kind, even if I don't want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemical.
So yun guys, we were actually surprised dito sa Jeju Island, Angeles City. Meron silang SHABU-SHABU. So previously when we featured yung San Fernando, wala silang ganito. So included na to sa 599 pesos. Now, if you just want solely SHABU-SHABU, pwede po yun. Solely Samgyupsal, pwede po yun. Kung gusto nyo combine, pwede rin yun. Oh, look at that! So let's taste it, guys. This is their unlimited SHABU-SHABU. Oh, you can really appreciate food when it's really warm. So yung SHABU-SHABU nila, for me, it's a little bit mild and gentle. So siguro nasa inyo yun. You can just add on yung mga sausawan nila dito para mas maging matapang yung lasa.
Night after night, night after night, oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
So ayun guys, aside from the unlimited SHABU-SHABU and Samgyupsal, meron din naman sila ditong mga a la carte. So let me mention yung mga nasa menu nila just in case, you know, you want to take home the dishes and nag-enjoy kayo dito. So available dito guys, meron tayong kimbap, bibimbap, tteokbokki, of course meron tayong mga ramen. Depende sa inyo guys if you want it spicy, hot, mild, and bulgogi, kimchi jjigae. Good.
So itong mozzarella tteokbokki nila, so makikita na sobrang cheesy, ano? So sa mga cheesy lover, must try this one.
Annyeonghaseyo. Please come and visit Juan Marco Jeju Island dito po sa TL Plaza. At sana po makarating po kayo dito at dito po ang pinakamasarap na pagkain sa buong Angeles City, province of Pampanga. Tara! Punta na!
Wanna know how it's night after night, night after night, oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
Oh, what a Pampanga experience, brother.
Yes.
Grabe, sobrang
busog ngayon. At the same time, sulit na sulit yung Unli Samgyupsal, SHABU-SHABU ay mga a la carte nila.
So, warm those cold nights, those lonely nights, guys. Punta na kayo dito sa Jeju Island, Angeles City. And thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.